Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to use the Shazam app in this tutorial. Let's get started. Suppose you're in a public space and you hear a song, but are not quite sure who the artist is. In that case, you can use this app to detect the song and the artist. Start by opening the Shazam app. Using Shazam is quite easy. All you have to do to detect the song playing in the background is to tap on the icon at the center. Then it will detect the song itself. Tap on the library at the top left. Tap on the gear icon at the top left. You will land on the settings page. Scroll down. Toggle on the option for Shazam App Start for it to detect the song as soon as you open the app. And that is how to use the Shazam app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.